Viewers, have you ever noticed how stickman-style YouTube channels are growing incredibly fast these days? Not only are they gaining subscribers quickly, but they are also getting monetized much faster than many other niches. Let me show you a few examples. First, take a look at the DIGEN channel. It already has over 158K subscribers, and it's currently growing at an impressive rate. Next, we have DIGEN. This channel is also performing extremely well, with highly engaging videos and a rapidly growing audience. Another great example is Gran Khalifa. This is a relatively new channel with around 14.7K subscribers, and it is already 100% monetized. What do all of these channels have in common? They all create simple stickman-style animations. Their videos receive excellent engagement, impressive views, and many of them were uploaded only a few months ago. If you visit their popular section, you'll notice that almost every stickman video is performing exceptionally well. So today, I'm going to show you how you can create the same type of stickman animation videos using a 100% free AI tool. But before we begin, let me show you the final results.
A giant tiger attacked, but the stickman refused to run.
Alright viewers, you've just seen the videos. As you can see, the quality is absolutely amazing, and every single animation was created using completely free AI tools. In today's tutorial, I'll teach you the complete process step by step so you can create this exact niche for your own YouTube channel. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, I'll take you to my master prompt. You'll find this master prompt in the description of this YouTube video. Everything is already included for you. You'll get the animation style, consistent character design, art style, scene structure, image prompts, scene titles, video prompts, and much more. All you need to do is copy the entire prompt. Then, open ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and wait a few seconds. And boom. As you can see, ChatGPT automatically generates all 10 scenes, including scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, and so on. Each scene comes with its own detailed image prompt and video prompt. This master prompt is extremely powerful because it creates a complete production package in just a few seconds. Again, you'll find it in the description below this video. Now simply copy all the generated prompts and save them inside a text file for later use. Once that's done, it's time to generate the images. For this, simply open Google Gemini, which is currently one of my favorite free AI image generators. I'll paste my first image prompt and click Generate. Now all we need to do is wait for a few moments while the image is being created. And here is the result. Our first stickman image is ready, and the quality looks fantastic. Now I'll copy the second prompt, paste it, click Generate again, and wait. Perfect. Our second image is ready as well. Let's do the same with scene 3. Paste the prompt, click Generate, wait a few seconds, and there we go. The third image is now complete. Next, I'll generate scene 4 using the exact same process. After that, I'll simply continue pasting each remaining scene prompt one by one until all 10 images are generated. And that's it. As you can see, all of my images are now ready. The results look clean, consistent, and absolutely amazing. Now simply download all of these images, because in the next step I'm going to introduce you to an incredible AI video tool that allows you to create unlimited AI videos for free. Yes, you heard that right. You can generate dozens or even hundreds of videos without worrying about limits. So, let's move on to the video generation section. Okay, viewers. First of all, open the DIGEN AI website. I honestly think this is one of the best free AI video generation websites available right now. Today, I'm going to show you a simple method that allows you to generate 100+ AI videos in a single day, completely free. So, let's get started. First, go to the login section. Once you're there, click on Sign Up. It will ask you for an email address. Simply open any temporary email website, copy your temporary email address, paste it into the email field, and click on Send Code. As you can see, I've already entered my temporary email and clicked Send Code. Now let's switch back to the temporary email inbox. Look at this. The verification code from DIGEN AI has already arrived. I'll simply copy this code, go back to the DIGEN AI website, paste it into the verification box, create a password, and click Continue. And that's it. My account has been created successfully. And now I'm logged into DIGEN AI. Now let me show you something interesting. I'll open the credits section, and as you can see on the screen, I've received 300 free credits instantly after creating my account. Now let's create our first AI video. Go to the Image to Video section and upload your first image. Once the image is uploaded, write a detailed prompt describing the animation you want. The better your prompt is, the better your final video will be. After that, select the Real Motion 3, 1 Turbo model, review your settings, and click on Generate. Now just wait for about a minute while the AI processes your request. And here we go. My first AI video is ready. Just look at the animation quality. The movements are smooth, the results look professional, and everything has been generated automatically within minutes. Now let's create another scene. I'll upload my second image, write another animation prompt, and click Generate once again. After waiting for a short time, my second animated scene is also ready, and once again, the output looks really impressive. Now here's one of the best features of DIGEN AI. You don't have to wait for one video to finish before creating another. You can start generating multiple scenes at the same time. As you can see, I've submitted several scenes together, and the AI is processing all of them simultaneously. After a short wait, all of my scenes are completed successfully, and here are the final results. The overall animation quality is clean, smooth, and ready to be used in your projects. Now let's remove the logo. Simply open CapCut. Import all of your generated clips. Arrange them in sequence on the timeline, and then open the scale option. Adjust the scale slightly until the logo is cropped out while keeping the video quality looking clean and natural. Once you're satisfied with the framing, your video is basically finished. Finally, click on Export, choose 4K resolution, and render your final video. And here is the final result.
A giant tiger attacked, but the stickman refused to run.
The animation looks clean, professional, and ready to upload to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or any other social media platform. I hope you really enjoyed today's tutorial and learned something new. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss my upcoming AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another amazing AI tool and another powerful idea. Goodbye, everyone.